Hi everybody, this is Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today I have an announcement for you, and then I also want to show you some of my finished objects. If you like this kind of content, please hit the subscription button below and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you'll be informed of upcoming videos. So first, I would like to let you know about my announcement. And it's more about an interview. On August 22nd, which is this upcoming Saturday, I'm going to be on Littlejohn Yarn's channel with her. We're actually going to do an interview together. We're going to talk about diet and exercise and pain as it relates to crochet. And so it's at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Littlejohn Yarn's site. We all know her. We all love her. Great tutorials over there. She does a lot of not only tutorials, but she does a lot of lives, and then she also does a lot of information sessions on things that she buys from Wish, and she uses the Addie machine. She talks about crochet and how to make a business out of crochet. A lot of great stuff on her channel. If you've not checked her out, please do so. She's pretty fantastic. Her name is Alicia. And again, so I'll be there Saturday. 2 p.m. Eastern, and we are going to do a live together. So we'll see how that works out. I'm sure it'll be fantastic because she's quite wonderful. All right, so next up, I'd like to show you a few of my finished objects, and the first one is the one I have on. And so I'm going to stand up for a minute so you can see it, but I think you got a pretty good advance. So, yeah. So on this guy here, this is from Simply Collectible Crochet. I saw this, I think it was Canadian Crocheter had made one, and I said, oh, that's cute, so I thought I'd go there and check it out. For what I made it out of was the Loops and Threads Cotton Creme, and this is in the color of, obviously it's lilac or purple. And to create this top, it's pretty simple. It says it's an intermediate, but I didn't find it to be an intermediate. You basically work it from the bottom up, work from the bottom to the top, and it's basically a whole bunch of double crochet in here, and then a lot of double crochet and spacing up top. This is a size large that I have on. And to complete the size yards large, I used one full ball of the cotton creme and then another 50 yards off of a Cinquet one. And so it took me about 2 evenings to make it. Like I say, once you get going, it's pretty straightforward. A lot of double crochets, and up top just reducing and spacing, and then a single crochet around the collar, and boom, you're done. Pretty straightforward. And once I finished it, I did the calculations. It cost me $6.75 to make because I paid $5.99 for each one of these cotton creme from Michael's. And I used, like I said, I used one full ball and 50 yards off. Now this is the Cinquet ball, and you can see it's pretty full. So that was one thing that I have made. The next thing that I made was actually a pattern that I purchased from Bag O Day. And this is her Summertime Blues top. I liked it, and so I went ahead and purchased the pattern just because I wanted the pattern. And this is what it looks like. It has the top, the yoke here. It came with ruffled sleeves or not. I chose not to do ruffled sleeves. It's basically a V-stitch and then followed by a shell stitch. And you see it's pretty, and I chose royal blue to make it in. You can see it is quite pretty. I'll pull it off of Sally here. But it's pretty straightforward. It says this pattern says it's an intermediate, but I don't think it is. And you can see there's the bottom down there. Look at that color. Isn't that beautiful color? The only thing I changed on this, and you can see how shiny it is. It really came out nice. The only thing I changed is she called for a 6 double crochet shell, and I found that I did 5 just because it's easier to count. And when you go down and you go from change from row from a shell back to a V-stitch, it was easier for me to count over 3 than trying to figure out between the 3rd and the 4th one. So I switched it to 5 and boom, it was even faster than doing it that way. So for this top, and like I say, I've worn it a couple times already. Just beautiful color. It doesn't look too bad up against me either. So for what I used for this, again, I used another Michaels brand. I think she recommended Caron Simply Soft, and I actually used Michaels Soft and Shiny. Hopefully it's not too bright, you can see that. And this is in the color of Royal Blue. I used 1 full skein, and this is what I have left of the Sink It skein. And this is, I weighed it, and this is actually 78 grams of the Sink It skein is what's left. And look how shiny that is. When you can start working this stuff, it is really nice to work with. No splitting. I know Caron splits. This stuff did not split for me at all. I had no problems whatsoever. I purchased these at Michaels, obviously, a while back, and they were on sale. Was it $1.99 a piece? And so I used 1 full skein, and then I have on this skein right here, I have 78 grams left. And so the cost to make this blue top was roughly $3 to make this top. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Make this top for $3. For the purple one that I have on in front, that you see right here that I have on, I paid $5.99 for each one of these skeins at Michaels a while back. And I did the calculations. I used 50 yards off of the Sink It skein, and it cost $6.75 to make this top, this purple top that I have on. So that's what I made for those. And then one more item I'll show you. And this I put a snapshot on Instagram. And this is actually an over-the-shoulder bag. I'll show you close up for that. Crossbody. And there's the strap for the crossbody. Very pretty. And the front flap. So you can see that. So for this guy, it seems to be a theme today, because for this guy I actually used Impeccable from Michaels again. So all 3 of these items I used Michaels brands, but I used Impeccable in the gray. And you can see it's a really pretty gray. I bought this actually a while back. Again, when I bought the other stuff for $1.99, I got the Impeccable for $1.99 as well. I bought this intending to make something for my daughter, and decided to make myself a bag. So this bag here itself, I made it out of the star stitch, and then you can see along the side where I have joined it in, it actually is part of the bobble stitch is what I did on there. And the strap is about 50, almost 60 inches long. And so I love it. And my daughter, when I showed it to her, she wanted one as well, of course. And so that's why the yarn is up here. So I might make a second one. I may turn it into a tutorial for you guys as well. Because when I designed that, I designed it specifically for me because I wanted it the size for my phone, my keys, my sunglasses, and then my reading glasses. So that's the size of it. Hers will need to be a little bit smaller. As far as cost-wise, it was 200 grams of yarn with the gray, like I showed you, and then a little bit of 50 grams of white, so 200 total. And because I paid $1.99 per skein, the full cost all in for that bag is $2.50. So that's not a bad deal. So that's what I had to show you today. That were my makes for right now. I mean, there's other things that are in the works that I'll show you coming up, but that's what I had to show you for today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.